Happy Sunday, everybody. I'm going to do my trade recap from Friday that I did not get a chance to do because I left and went to the nail salon. So I'm going to make it very brief. So to start my morning off, I always draw my pre-market levels. And TradingView already has it marked. So it's right here. Let's see if I can show you guys how to do it. So if you go to chart settings, and right here, if you click high and low prices, TradingView will mark them for you. And they'll appear as little white dots. And then you can just hover over them if you want to. So that's my, no, that's not my pre-market high. My pre-market high is down here, sorry. And then I'm going to plot my pre-market low or the area. Let's see. Price was about here the most. 1, 2, 3. That was yesterday. 4, 5, 6. About 7 times there. And I could plot here too, because it was there a lot. But by it being so close, it doesn't matter. Okay, so this is how my morning would have started. But I did not do that last little bitty line. I just had the other two. And I did not have this one yet. I don't think that one had set in unless it was from yesterday's high. Let's see. May have been a yesterday's level. But anyway. So hindsight trading, of course, this is. But during the market hours, it wasn't. The only thing that I had on my chart was the Fib EMA. And I'll show you guys how to add that. It's Fibonacci EMAs 813-2155 by Patrick Duke. And I think we added that on another video, but in case you didn't see that one. So in order to be patient and wait for the perfect entry, you want to wait until your EMAs are tight. While the line is going through the candles, that's a sign of no direction of indecision. You want all of your candles or your price action to be all the way above or all the way below. So right here was when all the candles began to come all the way below. And so my alert that morning, I made the attempt to try to alert before the prices got higher. So I alerted the group. Puts below 305.47. The 301 put was 13 cents at that time. And so the reason why I felt it was going to be a breakout, it wasn't even due to the Fib EMA. I don't even think I had that on. But we had support at this pre-market level, 305.47. And it held support for the longest. So once it either broke up to the upside for calls, once it stopped sideways trading, I would have took a call. But in this case, the market was down. So once it broke that support, I was looking for puts. And so at that time, they were 13 cents and they ran to 125. But however, I think I got out maybe right here and left and went to the nail salon. But they were 861% return. That was $112 per contract. And I did not have my MACD on. I am proud of me. I basically just followed my levels on Friday morning because of the chop. It was so choppy. You really had to follow the levels really tight to know what was going on, if they were buying or if they were selling. So I'm going to end the video here on that note. That's all I wanted. But to be patient, or to help you be patient during trading with little indicators, that's one indicator, Fib EMA. As long as the line is going through, You do nothing. Once the price is all the way above all 4 EMAs, you would take a call. Once they are below all 4 EMAs, you would take a put. So I hope this helps. Have a great trading week, everybody. Bye.